In Form 4L generation printers, the printer's backlight shines through a component called the Light Processing Unit 4L, or LPU 4L, to print. The LPU 4L contains an LCD panel, heaters, and sensors that form an important part of the Form 4L print engine. A malfunctioning LPU can prevent the printer from printing properly. Follow along with this video to replace your Form 4L generation LPU. These supplies are required to perform this procedure. If this video helps you solve your printer's issue, please like the video, and thanks for watching. To start, we will prepare the printer in a dust-free workspace. Remove the build platform first to avoid dripping resin onto the Light Processing Unit, or LPU. Remove the resin cartridge and close the vent caps to prevent resin from dripping off of the bite valves and into the printer. Unlatch the mixer and the resin tank. Remove the resin tank and cover it with its lid. Set the tank aside on a clean, flat surface. Clear a workspace around your printer. Ensure that the workspace is well ventilated and free of dust. Open the printer cover and clean any resin pooled on and around the LPU with paper towels. Dampen the paper towels with isopropyl alcohol if necessary to remove the resin. Disconnect the power cable from the printer before continuing with maintenance. Wait 5 minutes after disconnecting the printer from power before proceeding. Use a 3mm hex driver to loosen the 8 captive hex screws in the LPU housing. Carefully lift the LPU with the notch at the front and tilt it so that the bottom faces you. Locate the LPU's HDMI cable. Squeeze the plastic retaining clip and unplug the HDMI cable from the LPU. On both sides of the printer, the heater cables are oriented with their clips facing outwards. Release the tank heater cables by squeezing the tab on the connectors and directly pulling away from the LPU. Do not pull on the cable itself. It's important to gently set the cables aside with some slack so that they do not fall into the cavity. Remove the LPU from the printer and set it aside for disposal with the electronic waste. After removing the old LPU, connect and install the replacement. Position the LPU so that it is tilted with the underside facing you and the cable connectors are oriented towards the front of the printer. Do not touch the upper or lower printing surfaces of the LPU. If you do, check out our video on cleaning the Form 4L LPU release texture. Plug the tank heater cables into the connectors on the LPU. The plastic tab should click into place to secure the cable. Plug the HDMI cable into the port on the LPU by squeezing the 2 prongs of the plastic retaining clip so that it can snap into place. Ensure that the optical cavity and LPU are free from dust and debris. Place the LPU on the optical cavity and align the screw holes. Use a 3mm hex driver to loosely thread the 8 captive hex screws in the LPU housing. Once all the screws are loosely threaded, tighten the screws in a diagonal pattern as shown. The screws should be secured but not over-tightened. To avoid over-tightening, grip the short end of the hex driver. Connect the power cable to the printer and the power supply. Turn on the switch at the back of the printer. On the touchscreen, tap Settings, Tools, Align Build Platform. Follow the on-screen instructions or check out our video on aligning the build platform. Insert any missing consumables and start a print. Check that the print starts normally and the part prints successfully. Contact Formlabs support or your authorized reseller to share the results of your procedure. Did this video help you get printing again? If so, please leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Also leave a comment telling us what videos you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching!